I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device has a true depth camera and Face ID. That hardware tracks precise facial motion. Once done, make sure iOS is updated so tracking algorithms work reliably. Open Messages or FaceTime and tap the Memoji/Animoji icon to create or select a Memoji. You should face the camera within arm's length. Hold steady. This initial capture maps your facial features, which is essential because those marker points drive lip, eyebrow, and jaw movements. You now refine the Memoji and validate tracking by performing clear expressions. Smile, raise eyebrows, open your mouth, and tilt your head. Doing that lets you confirm eyes, mouth, and jaw are correctly mapped. If movement seems delayed or jittery, change lighting and remove obstructions like glasses. Bright, even light improves sensor input. Make small edits to facial proportions so movements look natural. Once satisfied, record a short clip or use in FaceTime to watch how the Memoji mirrors your face. You finish by saving the Memoji and selecting it for messages, FaceTime, or clips. Press record or send as you perform expressions. If you notice lag or incorrect movements, close background apps and restart the device to free processing power, then recalibrate by re-enabling Face ID in settings. Make sure camera permissions are granted. If problems persist, check for sensor obstruction or contact support. Troubleshooting these steps addresses 90% of motion tracking issues, so your Memoji behaves like you in real time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.